Yeah, remember me telling you in the last video that the weather was getting better and that we should be able to get some nice walks in? I might have been a bit premature. The weather's been steadily getting worse, and overnight we've had gale force winds that have brought down trees and wrecked property, and we've also had an absolute deluge of rain, tons and tons of the stuff which is now draining from the hills and onto the lowlands, flooding fields and property. So I thought I'd just get my phone out and have a quick walkabout and show you what's happening. Oh dear. This was the scene outside my house this afternoon. A tad damp. And we're having to use duck boards to get in and out. This is a drainage channel not too far from my house. It's normally little more than a trickle. Look at it now. This is the footpath. A bit like walking through a river, really. Here is a local hostelry slowly submerging. This beautiful cherry blossom tree used to live in this school. And as I go around, everywhere I look, garden fences have been torn down. So, off to the outskirts of the town. Well, I won't be going that way then. Everywhere you look, trees have been wrecked and fields are filling up. Well, this is the old railway bridge on the outskirts of Denbigh near Brookhouse, and well, the footpath stops here. It's completely submerged. This is normally a lovely placid stream. And the river now has clearly burst its banks and is beginning to engulf the fields over there. I don't think I've ever seen this river like this before. Well, this would normally be the way to the pub on the outskirts of Denbigh known as the Brookhouse Mill, but I don't think anybody's going to be using that today. And the river still rages. And some more flooding before we get to the pub there. Oh dear. Well, I've decided the only way to get through this is by walking on the wall here. So keep your fingers crossed they don't fall in. The things we do for a pint, eh? Whoop, bit slippy there. Bit slippy. Thank God the wind's died down. Dry land at last. I suppose I could have come round the long way and crossed this footbridge instead. But I didn't realise just how bad it was. Nature seems to think it's spring already and is pushing up the daffodils. Ah, the chill squats chapel, hymning in bonnet and brooch and bombazine black butterfly choker and bootlace bow. And the anthracite statues of horses sleep in the fields. As Dylan Thomas might have said. Bit of a break in the weather. We've even got a bit of sunshine here. Horses aren't taking their coats off yet though. I won't tempt fate by promising that this is going to be a change in the weather though. We know what happened last time. No, doesn't want to talk to me. And who can blame him? Hello, Maisie. Hello, Maisie. Come on. Hello. 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 Cute, aren't they? This little fella here. Having just passed a perfectly serviceable pub, I think it's only sensible to get inside in case the weather turns again. Well, we've made it. Lovely. Cheers. Yachida.